Today is the 24th of September 2025. Myself and my colleagues were just coming out from PSS facility somewhere along the Lube Express Highway, where we went to visit our client nnamdi Kanu to find out the status of his health, only to discover that yesterday, the 23rd of September 2025, the Nigerian Medical Council brought in seasoned medical practitioners from various zones of the institute to conduct and review the examination done by Professor Araj on our client nnamdi Kanu. You know, it became necessary because of the controversy raised by one officer of the DSS called Dr. Nasir Mohammed, who wanted to debunk all the tests and all the findings of Professor Araj. Araj had found that nnamdi Kanu has issues with his kidney, with his pancreas, with his prostate, with his heart, the depletion of potassium in his bloodstream. And he deposed to those facts in an affidavit before a court of law. Unfortunately, one Mr. or Dr. Dr. Nasir Mohammed, who was not, or who has never on his own inspected or investigated nnamdi Kanu, decided to depose to an affidavit contradicting the whole findings. Thank God the Attorney General of the Federation, Fagbemi SAN, wanting to do justice, we believe, now requested the Medical Council to give him an independent body to review or to reinvestigate nnamdi Kanu's status. As we are here today, the 25th, we want to tell you that the 24th of September 2025, we want to inform the world that this team of doctors confirmed the findings of Professor Araj and also discovered more. As a matter of fact, they found out that Nnamdi has an issue with the nursery that requires urgent medical surgery. Now, this incurred as a result of torture in Kenya, in the hands of the Kenyan security operatives and their Nigerian collaborators when they renditioned him from Kenya to Abuja, Nigeria. So the situation of nnamdi Kanu's health, as we are saying today, is deteriorating by the day. We are urging Nigerians and lovers of freedom to take into consideration that it is only a man that is alive that can ever stand trial. And we do not know what is the specific interest of Nasir Mohammed that he is giving counter affidavits, counter information to the Nigerian society. What does he have to gain from the ill health of nnamdi Kanu? Please, we want our country to understand that nnamdi Kanu, who has not committed any crime known to law, is suffering injustice and punishment for something that does not exist. nnamdi Kanu only believes in the freedom of his people. He believes in self-determination. He is fighting for self-determination. And we trust and believe strongly that on Friday, that everything, all this drama, all this shenanigans will come to an end. We believe and trust Justice Omotosho. We know that he will do justice. We believe and trust that the laws of Nigeria will be respected, at least even if it is for once. The federal government of Nigeria will respect the laws and the constitution of this country. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, nnamdi Kanu, who is suffering, who is dying gradually, courtesy of the federal government of Nigeria, is still strong in spirit. He is still strong in his opinion. He is still strong in the heart. We only want him to be alive to the end of the trial. We want him to be alive to see justice done. We want him to be alive to realize the vision that he has. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Thank you.